Hello students, today we will discuss step down chopper. So what is a chopper? Chopper is a static power electronic device which converts fixed DC voltage to a variable DC voltage. It is nothing but a high-speed switch which connects and disconnects the load from source at a high rate to get variable voltage at the output. Choppers are represented as a switch in a dotted rectangular box. So what is step-down chopper? In step-down chopper, the output voltage V0 is less than the input voltage Vs. The circuit diagram of step-down chopper is shown here. Here, Vs is the source or input voltage. V0 is the output or load voltage. I0 is the output or load current. T is the chopping period and T is equal to T on plus T off, where T on is the interval in which chopper is in the on state and T off is the interval in which chopper is in the off state. FD is the freewheeling diode. During the period T on, that is in this interval, chopper is in the on state and current flows through the load. So when the chopper is on, the output voltage V0 is equal to Vs. During this interval, output voltage V0 is equal to the supply voltage Vs and the output current I0 increases gradually. The inductor L stores energy during this interval. During the interval T off, that is from T on to T off, the chopper is in the off state. But due to the energy stored in the inductor, the freewheeling diode is forward biased and the load current I0 flows through the freewheeling diode. As a result, the load terminals are short circuited by the freewheeling diode and therefore the output voltage V0 is equal to 0 and the output current decreases gradually. Again, during this interval, the chopper is in the on state and the output voltage V0 is equal to Vs and the load current increases gradually and it continues. Next, we will derive the output voltage equation. V0 is equal to area divided by base. Area, that is integral 0 to T on. Integral 0 to T on. Magnitude is Vs. Vs into dt divided by base T, which is equal to Vs by T integral 0 to T on into dt, which is equal to Vs by T into T on. T on by T is equal to D, where D is the duty cycle. Therefore, we can write V0 is equal to D into Vs. The range of duty cycle is from 0 to 1. That is, the minimum value of duty cycle is 0 and the maximum value of duty cycle is 1. Suppose when D is equal to 0, minimum value, in that case, V0 is equal to 0 into Vs, that is 0. When D is equal to 1, maximum value, then V0 is equal to Vs. From this, it is clear that in case of step-down chopper, the output voltage is always less than or equal to supply voltage Vs. Hence the name step-down chopper. Thank you.